PB gang. It's been a whole lot of kid debates going on lately, bro. I mean, I don't know if y'all know, bro, but natural is the way to go. You know what I'm saying? Natural is the way to go. Let me tell you something about a kid. My story about a kid. When I used to like want one. I ain't gonna lie. When I first came in the wave game, bro, and this is why I'm trying to, you know, tell you guys the story so you guys can avoid getting the kid. All right, when I was younger, bro, my mom, you know what I'm saying, my sisters, I had older sisters and shit. You know, they used to put, like, I had good hair, you feel me? Like, I had cool, good gray hair, you feel me? But, you know, you always want your curls to be more enhanced, like, better, you feel me? So my mom, my sister, they used to be doing shit like that, like, you know what I'm saying? RP to my mama, man. But my sister, my mama, they used to put, like, kits and shit in my hair, like curl kits, you feel me? To make my hair, to enhance my curls, to make them look, like, more, you know, bigger, you know what I'm saying? Fuller, you know? Cause I get curls, I have curls or whatever, but they won't be like fuller, nice, juicy ass curls. You feel me? You know what I mean? So they used to do that. My mama and my sister, they used to put like kits and shit in my hair, and I was okay with it, cause you know back then it was, you know, it was whatever. So over time, you know what I'm saying? Not all the time though. You feel me? Just it's either I had short hair with the waves or long hair with the curls. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't just have a long hair with the afro. That wasn't me. You feel me? I couldn't look like Kuta Kente. That wasn't me. So if I had some long hair, I had to have some curls. So over time, for them doing that, right? For them putting kits and shit in my hair like later on, when I started really like learning about hair health, it got bad. You feel me? Like I had to really like rejuvenate my whole, you know what I'm saying, hair texture to get it to where it's at now, to make it look like, you know, good, like healthier, you know, by using natural products and etc. Y'all know. But what I'm trying to get into is don't ever use a kit, bro. Never. You know what I'm saying? Also, when I first came into the wave game, right, when I first started watching like YouTube videos, I wasn't in the wave game yet. I was just watching YouTube videos to make my waves better. This is how you guys probably got into the wave game. Y'all start searching how to get the best 360 waves and shit like that. Y'all came across me. I came across other wavers such as Sir Cruz, you know, Jeezy, you know, Nick Wavy, you know, people that I'm getting categorized with now, which is a blessing, you feel me? But I watched them, you know, as a young cat, you feel me, growing in the game. You know, I was watching the Sir Cruz video, and I promise you I thought he had a kid, bro, because his head, I'm like, how the fuck this nigga that black with hair texture like that? Because I didn't really know hair texture at the time, you know what I'm saying? Of course he don't have one now, you know what I mean? I don't want y'all to twist shit up. Of course he doesn't have one. You know, he never put one in, but it's just his hair texture, you know, looked real like different to me, and I'm like, what the fuck? How does nigga hair texture look like that? You know what I'm saying? I'm like, I'm about to put a kid in my hair, nigga, like for real. I never did it. Once I got serious into the wave game and shit, I never did it. But I thought about it like, I ain't gonna see a lot of y'all in front and shit and cap. Like I just didn't think about getting a kid before, cause I have. But don't never get one, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's what kind of made me want one, because I see people who had like better texture than me, and I wanted to enhance my texture in a bad way. You know, not knowing that a kid is just really temporary. You know what I'm saying? Once your real hair, regular hair growth grows in, it's gonna go back to its regular like texture, which you was born with. You feel me? So you only could enhance your texture naturally to a certain extent. You know what I'm saying? You can keep getting your hair naturally, you know, healthier and shit like that by using natural products. You feel me? By using goat drip, of course. You feel me? By washing your hair, getting growing a wash routine, shit like that. You know, keeping your hair healthy, you know, conditioning it right, you know, moisturizing it, shit like that. So, long story short, bro, I know you have probably thought about putting a kid in your hair, but don't do it. Just work hard and be blessed with the texture you have. Try to enhance it the best you can, and that's it. With that being said, man, let's get straight to this video.
If you're quick, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.
All right, PB gang, man. Let's get straight to the video, bro. Let's go. Okay, so as y'all can see, man, well, if you guys didn't know, I have a I have a wave page, right? A wave group. It's one of the biggest wave. It is the biggest wave group on Facebook. You know what I'm saying? If you type in naturally waves, you know, I made that group about 7 years ago. You know what I'm saying? Let's see for a fact how long ago, man. Let's see. We gonna look at the facts right now, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how to do it from the computer. I always do it from my phone. But I guess we're gonna try to figure out how to do this shit. Okay, that's probably how you do it. Okay, it's created in 2014. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 5 years, going on 6 years. So the group been out for that long. We have 55,000 members, and it's a lot of other people pending. I still gotta go through all those, you know, requests. It's a lot of them pending or whatever. So that's big. You know what I'm saying? Like, for them years that passed by, it's big. I created the group. You know, of course, I had admins. You know, I have you know, a team to help me too as well. Shout out to them. But anyways, man, let's cut to the chase, bro. Let's get straight to the video. All right. This one, what's crazy is this. Look, it's been a lot of kid debates, bro, on this page. You know what I'm saying? I try to make the, you know, I try to cut out. It's only so much you can do, man, about the page. You can't really do too much, bro. You feel me? You can't really make the page how you want it to be, as far as, you know, more members you get, the more problems you get. The more money you get, the more problems you get. It's always, every time you go more, it's always going to be something. You feel me? So, with that being said, man, I try my hardest to keep the page in line, but it's just a lot of people that, you know, everybody not going to be positive. You feel me? It's going to be a lot of people that's, you know, feel some type of way about kids and this and that. Anyways, we got this one dude, man, that he been on the group for a minute, man. His name is Kittin Flavor, bro. So we gonna type in Kittin Flavor. You know what I'm saying? That's what we gonna do. Type Kittin Flavor. Alright. So we gonna type him in. And yesterday, first of all, let's see Kittin Flavor waves. This is June 10th, 2018. This is in 2018. That nigga dipping. That nigga is dipping, bro. You know that about that. You can't say this nigga not spinning, bro. He got stupid ropes, but it's always, and he gets a lot of likes. You see 265 likes, 118 comments, and I bet you most of those comments is people talking shit about his hair texture, saying that it's a kid, it doesn't look natural, yada yada. To be honest, it look real smooth. It does look like a kid, but same time, you don't know what he uses. You know what I'm saying? He could be using gel for his waves. He could be using the whole gang of Murrays for his waves. You know what I'm saying? He could be, you know what I'm saying? So certain products that make your hair look a certain way. If you put a lot of it in your hair, you just slick it down, it'll make it look a certain way. So it do be looking like it. So I can understand why people, you know what I'm saying, say that or whatever. It do be looking like it. But see, look, Kittin Flavor, bang that ass here, boy. You gotta be kidding me. So hold on. Bring that ass here, boy. You gotta be kidding me. But these two different people are the same people. I don't know. I guess he was trying to compare his waves to him. I don't know, man. Anyways, this is the video yesterday that he had posted, and I was getting tagged in there and shit. A lot of people wanted me to like do videos like this, so I do it. I try not to do shit like that because I don't want people to be like, oh, you negative, you doing, you know, do it for the clout and all this shit. But at the end of the day, bro, I do shit for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, this is one of his videos right here. When he posted yesterday, a lot of people was talking shit about it.
Oh shit!
You know what I'm saying?
Fish scales. Oh shit!
Fish scales.
Whales and
Fish
shit.
scales.
Jumping in that bitch. You understand me?
That nigga shit
Oh,
spinning.
the back of that up. Oh yeah, that's natural right there.
We said that's natural right there. He putting out subliminals. His homie putting out subliminals purposely. You know what I'm saying? Cause he probably told his homie, niggas be, look, film this video, bro. Film this clip for me. We're gonna post this shit on NE. You know what I'm saying? You know, on NE, I get a whole gang of bullshit. People be talking about, oh, you got a kid, you got this, you got that. So all he doing is running with it. You know what I'm saying? It's making him more popular. As you can see, he got 140 likes. You got a lot of people talking in the comments, oh, it's a kid, this, that, wow. You know what I'm saying? But to me, on this shit right here, this don't look like a kid. No, I don't know before, you know what I'm saying, that old picture, it kind of looked like one, but this right here does not look like a kid. And I clearly looked at the picture, the video, and I'm looking at it like, man, this don't look like a kid to me. But then I'm reading the comments and shit, I'm like, man, a couple of them, and I'm like, man, they still think it's a kid because of the past, I guess. You know, I don't know, but it looked natural. What y'all think?
Right,
what y'all think?
Look like silk.
That nigga brushes his hair, bro. Like, look at the connections. Them elite connections. That crown don't look too good. You need to work on it, but it's okay. Everything else looks good, bro. Look at that shit. But look at that top.
And Ballman just hooked my nigga up and shit. God damn.
But you see, his homie saying all that shit. He doing all that in the background. He doing all that narrating and shit because he know that's gonna make the page mad. You feel me? Because he know that that's all they do anyways is clown him and say he got a kid. So why not just run with it and keep on, you know what I'm saying, narrating and say little shit that you feel like that's gonna get them more matter. That's the type of shit I do. When nigga don't like the shit I do it more just to get them more matter, and it's all about gaining your shit more. Because believe it or not, negative publicity, any publicity, negative or positive publicity is good publicity. You know, if you put out negative shit, you're gonna get back negative things, of course. It's sad that sometimes you get positive things off negative things because, you know, a lot of people like messy shit. You feel me? That's why a lot of these people that blow up, it's always from messy shit. Like 6ix9ine, for example. You know what I'm saying? He did messy shit all the time. He blew up. But look, it only lasts for to a certain point. You feel me? You see where he at now. So, it's not always good to put out negative shit. But at the end of the day, if he not putting out the negative shit, they saying negative shit about him, why not keep on posting what you feel like that they mad about and get yourself more out there? You feel me? All that's doing is going to the next page. Oh, y'all heard about Kicking Flavor? Going to the next page. I heard about this nigga Kicking Flavor. That nigga, ooh, he got a kid. And everybody want to see it, right? Now everybody know who the fuck he is because of that. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, it's just part of life, bro. It's smart shit. It's marketing. You know what I'm saying? You got to be smart with this shit. You know what I mean? That's why I love when people talk about me. I just run with it. Goat fade? Yes. Run with it, nigga.
I still got your plug there, bro.
I don't really give a fuck what nobody said about me anyway at the end of the day.
Damn, I'm holding smooth in a bitch. Yeah, ripples in time. You feel me?
You see what I'm saying, though? So you know, so you can see why they saying that, but this right here, to me, honestly, does not. Bro, this shit is laid down. First of all, he just took off his do-rag. Not everybody here gonna be laid down when they take off their do-rag. But when you do take off your do-rag and you feel shit spinning like that, already in this train, it's gonna look better. Whereas if you was just walking around for about 20 minutes and then start filming. That's why I always do a lot of my videos on ragging. Because my shit's trained, so it's gonna look even better when I'm fresh off the rag. You know what I'm saying? That's what he did. So that's why shit look laid. And on top of that, you know, he been having waves for a while. You know, he trained his shit. He brushes his hair. You know what I'm saying? Fish scales. Fish scales, man. So anyways, man, we gonna read a couple of these comments, bro. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna go too deep into it and shit, cause it's hella comments, you feel me? But see, look. Here come the haters in 3, 2, 1. See, he already know. And somebody said he does this on purpose. Exactly. Run with it. Why not run with it? I know, and people saying the same thing, kid this, kid that, junk getting old now, just let the man be great. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. You see this next person. Kit gang. You say you see this next person. Post and watch the style, the products you use if it ain't a kid. Like he gotta prove to himself. Like he got something to prove to niggas, to other grown men. Like he got something to prove to other grown men. Really, nigga? You got nothing to prove, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. So at this point, I don't think he even reply back. Let's see. He said he did all that about a month ago. He not kidded. He not kidded. You know what I'm saying? People actually showing love. That crown though, bruh. Jesus. I'm working on my crown, nigga. Drake. I'm looking on my crown, Drake looking ass nigga. That nigga gassed on that nigga. I'm working on my crown, Drake looking ass nigga. That's cold. And then he said, why everybody calling me Drake? I'm just saying, G, that kid ain't working. Let it be great. That kid ain't. That kid ain't gonna let it be great. At the end of the day, you see what he said? That crown though, bruh. Well, really, he just really wants some type of feedback from him. So this is what he said: working on my crown, Drake looking ass nigga. So now he got in his feelings and say, why everybody calling me Drake? I'm just saying, G, that kid ain't gonna let it be. That kid ain't gonna let it be great. You know what I'm saying? Like, people just say shit. You really think he got a kid in the first place. So that's what you really wanted to say. But then you try to say it about the crown or something else, and you end up saying it anyways. You expose yourself. It's crazy, my nigga. It's crazy, bro. People be crazy. It ain't that serious. You know what I'm saying? Fuck the kid. These niggas in a 32 Cavaliers and shit. He said, fuck the kid. These niggas in a 32-degree Cavalier and shit. I think degree or whatever the fuck that is. 32-inch Cavalier and shit. This nigga's in a 32-inch Cavalier. Are you talking about the whip? What are you talking about? I don't get it. I'm confused. Laugh a lot. I'll be like, okay, he got a nice edge up this time. Nope. He was like, I don't need an edge up. Last of my worries. You know what I'm saying? He like, I don't know fucking edge up. Last of his worries, nigga. I'm dipping, nigga. I feel you. But you see what I'm saying, though? Even though it's a kid, he's spinning. He do reply back, though. He said, do you believe that? And then he said, you're too old for that. It's like, you too old to be like worrying about the next man head. Cut that shit off in the back. He said, better not. You know, people telling me, you know. So as you can see, man, it's a lot of bullshit. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people saying shit about it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people. I thought this group was called Naturally Ways. I'm lost. You know what I'm saying? That's the type of nigga that get booted. Niggas like him get booted fast. I boot niggas with the quickness. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I don't got time for the bullshit. It's the type of niggas that get booted fast as fuck. Here comes the steel toe. You know what I'm saying? Put that steel toe on that ass, nigga. Fuck the kid talk. That whip looking nice though. You know what I'm saying? For real. Anyway, so it's a lot of people that saying shit. Y'all get my drift. But at the end of the day, man, I feel like he don't got a kid. I don't know if he had one before. You know what I'm saying? But right now, this shit look nice. You ask me, that shit look nice. I don't think it's a kid, bro. For real, that shit look real nice. You know what I'm saying? That look real clean. That's just my opinion. What y'all think? I want to see everybody opinion right now. Comment. I know y'all in the y'all gonna see this too. You know what I'm saying? On my page. Comment right now on this video and a link in the comment section. I want to see how y'all feel about it. You feel me? I want to see everybody's opinion. Everybody comment right now. Do you feel like it's a kid or do you not feel like it's a kid? You know what I'm saying? Do you care or do you not care? You feel me? So with that being said, man, that's pretty much it for the video. Make sure you guys like the video now. Subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, subscribe now, please. My name is Poppy Blasted, man. You know, as y'all see, I've been doing more videos. You feel me? Giving y'all the heat that y'all want. I'm gonna keep on giving it to y'all as long as y'all want it. As long as y'all keep on commenting, PB Gang, I got y'all. Join the family. Subscribe right now. Yeah, go ahead and go get your Goat Drip also. You know what I'm saying? The best products on the market. Go get it right now. Link in the description box below. Click the link. Boom. Go ahead and put that in the cart. And order that shit. You feel me? So you can get that fire, man. You can get your waves natural. Your waves be natural, elite. You know what I'm saying? And you be spinning, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put that brushwork in, of course, but yeah, do that. But if you're great, they're gonna hate. Ha! Yeah! I need to shape up, I don't know, but this shit is spinning. Got the camera, nigga.
If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang. Let go.